Hello YouTube! In this video we will finally create a choose your ship subscene. Let's jump straight into action. We will create a ship picker class. This class will contain two images, ship image and circle image. This circle which will be filled after choosing one of the ships. Ship picker should extend VBox class. VBox is a regular JavaFX container which stores its elements in vertical order. We want to create two image view fields. One for the circle image and one for the ship image. Moreover, we have to create two strings. Each one will contain an URL for filled circle image and for empty circle image. We need a ship field and a boolean which will tell us if this ship is chosen. Let's create a constructor. Now let's create a gray circle image, circle which is not chosen. Let's set ship image. We need to create a method which will return this URL. It should be public. And this field should be private. Let's set this ship. At the beginning, our circle will not be chosen, so this should be false. Let's set alignment to position center. Spacing should be about 20. And the last thing that we have to do in our constructor is to add our images to the VBox. Let's create a getter for our ship. And for our boolean. We need a method which will set our circle if it is chosen or not chosen. Now let's jump into View Manager class. We have to find a create subscenes method, and we will create a method which will be called create ship chooser subscene. Our ship chooser scene, it will be a SpaceRunner subscene. Let's add it. And we have to delete this one, so we don't need it. Now let's create our info label. You want to write the choose your ship. Set layout X. This should be about I forgot to create one method right there, so we will create it right now. This method will return our pane, a pane of this subscene. Let's add this info label and check if everything works. Okay, I forgot to set background for our info label. No, not this one. It's right there. Now let's create this background image. Its width should be 380, height should be 49. Right there, let's just pass false and true. You don't need to bother this. No. Background repeat. Okay, now everything is set properly. Moreover, we have to call setBackground method. And this should be all. Let's check if it works. Choose your ship. Okay, I know what do we have to do. Let's delete this and add set alignment. Now everything should work properly. Am I right? Yes, choose your ship. Let's go back to the view manager. Now we have to create our ships, these ships which will be able to be chosen. We will return a HBox with our ships and circles. Let's create this HBox. Its spacing should be 20. Now let's create right there. Ship picker list. And chosen ship field. Right there we can initialize our list. And for each ship we will add an image. First, let's create a ship picker. Let's set an action for mouse click action. Okay, if we click on one of the ships, every ship will be set to false, will be set that it is not chosen, but this ship will be set that it is chosen. So right there we pass true value. And chosen ship will be like this. Now all we have to do is to set box layout, X and Y positions. This should be about 300 minus 118 times 2, something like this. And box set layout Y should be 100. And we have to return this box. Now let's use this method right there. And let's check if everything works properly. No, it does not. Something is wrong. I forgot to add this ship to this box. Let's do it right there. Once again, let's check if everything works. Yep. Okay. I've got this. I should add each ship picker to our ships list. Let's check if it works. Hooray! Last thing we have to do is to add a start button. So let's create a dedicated method. Which will return this button. Let's set layout X 350. Set layout Y 300, and let's return this button. Get children, add, create button to start. Everything works. Cool. Thank you for watching. That's all for today. See you in the next video.